Hello everyone, Isa here, and we're going through this little park. We're going to do a little walk, and we're doing this to talk a little about the endangered animals in the Dominican Republic. Let's just start with what about the Dominican Republic? What is it? A little, and why are we doing this? Well, the Dominican Republic has a diverse ecosystem, from tropical forest to coastal habitats. And the reason we're doing this, having this talk, rather said, is because many native species are facing extinction due to habitat destruction, climate change, and human activity. And we're doing this talk to explore the causes, have some samples, and see ways we can protect this species. But first, what are the causes of this extinction? Well, we have habitat destructions, uh, which can be due to deforestation or urbanization. We also have climate change, which can be rising temperatures and hurricanes, poaching and illegal wildlife trade, which is a problem that we rarely talk about, but it's very happening. It is happening a lot. And we also have pollution and introduction of invasive species. Now we're going to walk through this little wall and see a few examples of what I'm talking about. First, we have the Hispaniola Island. It is a rare nocturnal mammal endemic to the Hispaniola, which is the island that the territory, the island that is that has been divided between the countries Dominican Republic and Haiti. It is one of the last surviving venomous mammals, and it is currently threatened by habitat loss, which can be once again deforestation and urbanization, and also introduced predators, which in this case are dogs and cats, little pets we keep. Um, we also have the Ricord's iguana. It is a critically endangered reptile found only in the Dominican Republic and Haiti. It is only in the La Hispaniola. It lives in dry forests and coastal areas, and they are currently threatened by habitat destruction, hunting, and invasive species. Once again, our loyal pets and other animals that have been introduced. We also have the West Indian manatee. This is a large, gentle marine mammal found in Dominican coastal waters. It is threatened by both collisions, pollution, and habitat destruction. And we currently have conservation efforts in place. This is actually one of the most talked about animals between us Dominicans, but we still need more awareness about it. And we have here three more examples before we continue the walk. We have the Berkshire thrust, which is a migratory bird that is currently affected by deforestation. We have house-quiz turtle, which is also talked about mostly in class when we introduce such concepts, and it is currently endangered due to poaching and pollution. And we have the Harawa draft gecko, which is really tiny. It is barely the size of a fingertip. It is barely this usually, and it is native to the small region in the southwest. And what can I say? It is really cute. I have seen one. I love them. Sorry. Uh, conservation efforts. We have conservation efforts, which we have national parks, protected areas, wildlife rescue and rehabilitation programs. We also have community-based conservation and education. As I mentioned earlier, we sometimes talk about some of this. And we have government and international partnerships to understand better these animals, to protect them, and to ensure nothing happens to their habitats. Now let's sit here for a moment and think, what can we do? We can support organizations, promote responsible tourism and sustainable practices, reduce plastic waste and pollution. We can also educate others about this endangered species and how to protect them. If they live nearby, if they know, then we can still support conservation organizations. And here we are. We have ended this little walk. This is the gate you can walk out of it after you finish this video. And I really hope you enjoyed this little walk with me and you come with a new understanding of the uniqueness of this endangered species. That you have an idea how to act and how to protect them, how what to do. Um, Thank you for listening.